Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create group chats on TikTok. So guys, it's very easy, it's very simple to create. Now if you want to do that, first step to take is of course open your TikTok app just like this. But I would like you to understand that this feature is not available in all countries. Now, even if you update your app, it's not available in all countries, so probably you wouldn't get this feature even after updating your app. So, but I know hopefully it's going to get to all countries sooner. So, let me just show you the process on how you can do this in case if it's available in your country. Now, if you want to do that, click on the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen. Now, once you click on that, you find these edit chat icon at the top right corner. Click on that. Now, once you click on that, right here, these are the people who you have actually chat with on TikTok. Now, go ahead and select any of this user that you would like to create a group with. For example, this particular user. So once you click on that, you notice this three dot at the top right corner. Click on that. If you click on that, right here you get the option to create a group chat, but it's so annoying that I don't have this option yet, and this is simply because it's not yet available in my country, though in your case you could find it here if it's available in your country. So guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.